Hello and welcome back to Huga House. Today we'll be talking about this secret off-grid pool hidden deep inside the Mojave Desert. If you're always on the lookout for fun and interesting things to do, then a secret pool in the Mojave Desert may spark your interest. It might seem like an odd place for a pool to be, but it turns out that there is actually a secret pool that was installed in the Mojave Desert around 2014. People could go and check it out while it was open, but it closed to the public on September 30th, 2014. The desert pool was named the Social Pool, and it was created by Alfredo Barsuglia, an Austrian artist who did this as an art installation. Ever since June 2016, there are plans to reopen the pool to the public, but so far there is no news of this happening. Alfredo installed the pool as an art installation to see how far people would go to experience something this interesting. It's symbolic of the times that we live in, as the artist explains, that people would be willing to go to such great lengths that might be out of reach, like pools, even being a luxury to have in one's backyard or home. The pool was made to be as luxurious as it possibly could be, just to make a statement. It even had an automatic, solar panel-operated filter and chlorine system. He also says that people are always wanting to get away in hopes of reaching their true selves, even if there is so much work involved to reach a location. It's funny when you think about it. People spend a lot of money to get away and relax, to leave their problems behind. The pool was installed June of 2014 and ran until September the 30th, with people from all over visiting and being given the key and the GPS coordinates to reach the pool for a little bit of an adventurous retreat. It is kind of like the Amazing Race in a way. People seem to love the challenge of finding something that not a lot of other people would have the pleasure of seeing. There are rules surrounding this though. People couldn't cut the key or tell anyone else the coordinates of this secret location. So it was totally kept hush-hush. There were no actual roads leading to the pool, so people really had to know how to locate it with just the coordinates. It was just like a treasure map, and people would even have to do a bit of a hike to get to it, making the adventure even more exciting. The pool itself had 2 locks, and you can unlock them with the key you were given at the art gallery. What a fun interactive art installation! And if you wish you could have checked this interesting desert pool out, you can check out Alfredo's website for an updates on if or when the pool will ever reopen. Otherwise, you can always bring your own mini pool and some water out to the desert and create your own secret desert pool. And that's our video for today. If you like it, please consider dropping a like. It would really help this channel to grow. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to this channel. We're going to be featuring new homes every single day, from log homes to tiny homes to vacation homes and other inspiring home ideas. I hope you have a great day and see you in the next video.